Nzama ya Mangavana niyambiisye uneenania na Ngwatanio ya Maovisaa ma Uiiti ya Kenya Union of Clinical Officers ni kana kumina mukomo ula maendeesye Nthini wa umbano ula utwaiiw'e musini wa Ilovi Maovisaa ama Uiiti meenda silikali yianiisye wiw'ano wa mwaka wa 2021 kana 2021 CBA ula meeitwe kana maovisa silikali kana makanenga wa 15 nini wa yulu wa musaala wote akumatetheesya kukitana na muisyo ula mukomana na wela wiani livoti yake Charlie Chichambo.
Nzama ya Mangavana va Kenya COG niyambiisye uneenania na Ngwatanio ya kutetea mavata ma Maovisaa ma kwanisa wima wamwe kana Kenya Union of Clinical Officers Kuco kileloni cha kumina ngusanisila siithiitwe vono kana kumina mukomo la meeitwe matwaisye kwa ilungu ya mwai umwe.
Negotiations today and the end by today. So this is a process that will be a give and take, where we give, where you take, where you give, we take. But at the end of it all, let us be guided by what Wazungu say, the end justifies the means.
Nthini wa kikalo kila cha atwaumia kwa Maovisaa wa Nzama ya Mangavana kisioni cha Westlands kwa musini wa Ilovi Maovisaa ma kwanisa wima wamwe meendekethete muvango wa mautio masilingi 15 kila mwe kwaniswa.
Your Excellencies, in Roiro Sub-County hospitals we speak now, there is a BSc clinical officer who is employed there and is earning 18,000 per month. There is another one in the same county earning 35,000. There is another one under UIiti earning 50,000. There is another one in full pay. And in Kajiado County, my treasurer for the county contracted a multi-drug resistant TB at work. He had to be admitted in Nairobi Women's Hospital, and we had to contribute because Kajiado County does not have a comprehensive cover to cover him. So these are the pain points, and these are the burdens we carry on our shoulders. That is why sometimes when you see us, sometimes we really get angry because we feel that you are not feeling, you are not feeling our pain, and yet our people are really suffering down there.
Ona uyovo mwene kivila maundone mawima wa Nzama na ula inginwe Governor County ni Tharaka-Nithi Muthomi Nchuki ni wawetekana mavata onthe moko ni Ilovi mailite kuneenanisyo ni silikali ya kati.
Of course, we are cognizant to the fact that health is devolved. However, we still have remnants of issues that are operated or they are implemented from the national government. We are two different governments that have same responsibility, and therefore in our discussion today, just to assist my chair for labor, let us isolate the issues that have to do with the county government, the COG. Don't take us to the route where we have to handle issues that the CS Health and the Ministry should be handling.
Mwene kivila Ngwatanio nisu ya Kuco Peterson Washira ni wawetekana Ngwatanio isu inawende wa kutwaisye uneenania na silikali na kumantha usungio wa kumina thina ula wivo.
Governor Muthomi, the CBA is on the table because we have been negotiating. We have negotiated 80%. What is remaining is about 80%. It's not actually something that can even take us more than 2 weeks if we have to sit and negotiate and with goodwill. And also reiterate that ourselves as the union, we have a lot of goodwill.
Collective bargaining agreement is not on the table because it does not exist. Recognition agreement is there. We recognize you, and that's why we are seated here. And we hope that now we can be able to set the parameters or which path do we have to walk through.
Vilinge wa mauvo ne tawa Charity Chambo.